Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of German 20 € coins from various mint marks and years. Specifically, not only will we discuss their unique designs, but we'll also unveil their current values at heritage auctions. So, let's get started. Our first contender is the 2002 mint mark 20 € coin. This coin features the iconic Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of German unity. With a limited mintage, this coin has become highly sought after by collectors worldwide. Let's check out its value at heritage auctions. The 2002 mint mark 20 € coin is valued at $45,400 at heritage auctions. Its historical significance and scarcity make it a true gem for any collector. Next up, we have the 2002 mint mark 20 € coin in good condition. This coin showcases the Brandenburg Gate as well, but with a unique perspective. Let's find out its current market value. The 2002 mint mark 20 € coin is valued at $70,500 at heritage auctions. Its distinct design and limited availability make it a valuable addition to any collection. Number 3, we have the 2003 Germany 20 € coin. This coin, minted in Munich, features the iconic Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of Germany's reunification. With its intricate design and limited mintage, this coin has become highly sought after by collectors. Let's check out its value at heritage auctions. The 2003 mint mark 20 € coin is valued at $95,500 at heritage auctions. Its historical significance and scarcity make it a true gem for any collector. Next, let's talk about the 2002 Farads Germany 20 € coin. Minted in Stuttgart, this coin showcases the oak twig and the mint mark F, representing the state of Baden-Württemberg. Its historical significance and unique design make it a prized possession among numismatists. Let's check out its value at heritage auctions. The 2002 20 € coin is valued at $200,000 at heritage auctions. Its historical significance and scarcity make it a true gem for any collector. Moving on, we have the 2006 Germany 20 € coin. Minted in Munich, this coin features the famous eagle, a symbol of German power and unity. The D mint mark indicates that it was produced in Munich, adding to its collectible value. Let's check out its value at heritage auctions. The 2002 20 € coin is valued at $100,645 at heritage auctions. Its historical significance and scarcity make it a true gem for any collector. Last but not least, we have the 2006 Jules Germany 20 € coin. Minted in Hamburg, this coin showcases the federal eagle, an emblem of Germany's national identity. The J mint mark signifies its origin in Hamburg, making it a prized item for collectors. Let's check out its value at heritage auctions. The 2002 20 € coin is valued at $300,000 at heritage auctions. Its historical significance and scarcity make it a true gem for any collector. Please note that these values are subject to change based on market demand and coin condition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting!